Welcome to the Billionaire Royal Palace. Perched atop a lush, verdant hill, the Billionaire Royal Palace stands as a testament to luxury and opulence. This majestic estate, sprawling across 100 acres of meticulously landscaped gardens and pristine lawns, is a marvel of modern architecture and design. With its gleaming white marble facade, gold accents, and crystal chandeliers, the palace exudes an aura of grandeur and sophistication. The grand entrance. As you approach the palace, you're greeted by a dramatic entrance, marked by a sweeping driveway lined with towering palm trees and vibrant tropical flowers. The entrance gates, crafted from solid silver and adorned with intricate designs, swing open to reveal a breathtaking view of the